Hello. Good morning to all our friends in Indonesia and in Malaysia. Selamat pagi. And also in our friends in Thailand. Siwas di Ton Chow. Good morning once again to all of you, my friends. If you are from Indonesia right now, and if you are from Malaysia and Thailand, this is an invitation to all of you, because right now Live Good Company is expanding rapidly in your countries, and even in my own countries here in the Philippines, we're expanding rapidly. And right now, if you are from Indonesia, and if you are from Thailand, and if you are from Malaysia, accept my invitation to all of you, my friends there. Now, this is an invitation. Join Live Good Company. This is the number one online legit online 100% online company wherein you can do business anywhere, anytime, by just using your social media, your Facebook and your Messenger and your TikTok and your Instagram. My friends in Indonesia and in Malaysia and in Thailand, join us. Join Live Good Company. It's number one now in the world and expanding rapidly here in our ASEAN countries, in Thailand and Indonesia and in Malaysia. To all our friends there, come on board. Join now. Click the link tour. It's www.livegoodtour.com, and together let us expand Live Good Company in our respective countries. Bye for now and have a great day.